Hello guys, I'm your friend UFO Guy here, and what I'm about to do right now is I am gonna walk up 50% of my Pi earnings for 3 years. Success. Walk up settings updated. So what did I just do? If you don't know about Pi and B network as well, why are they together? Because they are almost the same thing but similar apps. Two videos are gonna appear up there that are a little bit older but explain everything you need to know about both platforms, and you can only join them and mine these potential cryptocurrencies that are gonna make you a millionaire or a multi-cent billionaire, whatever. There, who knows what's gonna happen with these cryptocurrencies, but you can basically earn them for free. So the only way to earn them is if you get invited. So I'm gonna leave my invitation link for both applications down, and now let's get into the video with Pi Network, Mainnet and Walkup. So as some of you may have seen in the application, your Pi coins can already get walked up. What is that? Well, the mainnet is about to come, as many people thought it's a scam that steals your identity and personality and everything you have. Well, as announced, the Pi network is preparing for mainnet launch, which means your coins are finally gonna get some use and you're gonna be able to sell them for real money. My prediction in the beginning is that the price will go just a little bit uphill for the people that want to have nice price, and then a huge dump because the amount of holders that hold Pi is more than 20 million people. Now of these 20 million people, at least 10 million are not gonna know how to sell their coins or have forgotten and deleted the application. Let's say that is equal to a 50% burn of the tokens right off the bat, just because people don't know what to do and they're just gonna hold their tokens. But still, a lot of the tokens are gonna be in circulation, and that's a huge, insane amount of tokens. So to incentivize people to stake or walk their tokens, you are gonna get bonus rewards. You can stake or aka walk your tokens for 25, 50, 100, 75%, and at some point they're gonna give 200% walk up, which I have no idea what does this mean, but you can stake your coins for a certain period of time, walk them up, you cannot sell them, you cannot use them. And this is gonna improve your current mining power by a lot of percent. The percentage is calculated based on how many mining sessions do you have. So as you saw in the beginning of the video, I'm gonna get more than 200% bonus mining power for the next 3 years, while my walk-up was of only 50% of my coins. If I walked up 100% of my coins, I would have gotten more than 480% mining power bonus. And now, as I want to be transparent, I'm gonna say that once Pi network launches their mainnet and I see the tokens on sale, I'm gonna stack a lot of them, and I don't care about the price because this is something innovative. It could turn out to be a scam, everything can go down to zero, but I want to try. And of course, if you think you missed out on Pi, you can always use the B network, which is almost the same thing but in a bit earlier stage, so you can mine more. But it only takes you like a minute a day to click both applications, so I would keep them both on my phone. And now the disappointing part. In the application you can see your mainnet balance, and it is distributed by unverified balance, transferable balance to mainnet, wallet balance and walked up balance. So your transferable balance to mainnet is only the thing, only the Pi coins that you have mined from your own phone. Your unverified one is all of the coins that you have mined from your referrals have mined for you, the bonus power and everything you got. And as you can see, it is the majority, where is my finger, it is the majority of my earnings. So why I cannot transfer that? Well, in the Pi and the B network there is a thing called a security circle, and every one of your security circle must pass their KYC, know your customer. So if you want to withdraw all of those millions of Pi, you must know your customer. So remember when I said there are more than 20 million people holding it, but 10 million of those at least are not gonna sell their coins, they have forgotten and everything, blah blah blah, they deleted their applications. Well, let's get those people down to at least 7 million people, because at least 3 million people of everyone are not gonna do their KYC because they're gonna steal my identity, they're gonna steal my personal information. And it really amazes me that people who use Facebook/Meta are worried that someone is stealing their information. So anyway, when mainnet goes live, you need to have your KYC filled if you want to transfer your coins and sell them. So I would like to know at the end of this video, are you gonna lock up your coins? How much are you gonna lock and for what period? With this said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to stay awesome. Bye.